two top contenders for your CRM dollars. One big question, which one actually works for you? On the left, Pipedrive, the streamlined sales booster, and on the right, Keap, the all-in-one powerhouse for client management. We're testing them on what matters most: sales features, automation, pricing, integrations, ease of use, and more. Let's cut past the marketing talk and see what really delivers results. Every category gets a score, so at the end you'll know exactly who's ahead. The winner may surprise you. Let's dive in. Surprise you. Let's dive in. May surprise you. So here's what we're going to compare. Price, sales features, marketing automation, ease of use, customization, reporting and analytics, integrations, and last but not least, support and community. Got your checklist? Cool, let's kick it off. Let's start with price because, yeah, it matters. Pipedrive is honestly great for small teams. The pricing is straightforward, you pay per user, no nasty surprises. Now, one thing, if you go wild with add-ons, you might see the bill creep up a bit, but out of the gate, it's super affordable. Keap though, it's pricier right off the bat. I mean, you do get onboarding baked into some plans, and there's a bunch of built-in tools, but honestly, if you just need simple sales stuff, that higher base price can sting a bit. So for price, gotta say, Pipedrive takes it sting a bit. Pipedrive takes it. Okay, sales features. This is kind of Pipedrive's thing. Huge win here. Picture a drag-and-drop visual pipeline. It's so satisfying, and honestly, you don't need a PhD to figure out where anything is. You get strong deal management, tons of integrations, it just clicks. Now, if you want deeper reporting, you do need add-ons, but for core sales workflow, so smooth. Keap gives you nice automation stuff like scheduling and some sales flows, but it's not as visual, it just feels less intuitive, you know? So, another point for Pipedrive, no? Jumping into marketing automation, here's where Keap turns up the volume. It's packed built-in campaigns, email, texting, even landing pages. Automated follow-ups, totally there. The only catch, and it's a thing, is you'll want to brew a coffee for setup. It's like a bit of a learning curve, but the power is real. Pipedrive? It's pretty bare bones. You get email integration, but nothing wild. If you want real automation, you'll feel the limits. So Keap's the clear leader for automation. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first CRM system started in the late 1980s? Back then, they were pretty much digital Rolodexes. So when you're clicking through all these features today, just remember how far we've come. Ease of use. Let me just say, tracking deals in Pipedrive is actually, dare I say, fun. Seriously, onboarding is quick, and you'll barely need training to get your team using it. Of course, deep features will need integrations, but day-to-day tasks are a breeze. Keap, on the other hand, gives you a guided setup. Sounds nice until you realize there's a lot to set up. The UI can feel a bit heavy, especially if you're just starting out, so you might get lost in menus. For pure simplicity, Pipedrive, hands down. Customization. Now here, things flip. Keap lets you, customize pretty much anything. Want crazy workflow automations at every sales stage? Go off. It's super flexible, but oh man, be ready to put in the hours to really unlock its magic. Pipedrive gives you custom fields and pipelines, which is all most folks need, but the automation side just isn't as open-ended. If you want to tinker and tailor every workflow, Keap takes it. Reporting and analytics time. Both give you the basics, sales reports, dashboards, and if you pay for a higher tier in Pipedrive, you get more advanced stuff. Keap offers solid sales and marketing reporting, even custom analytics. But sometimes the reporting UI is kind of, clunky. So honestly, neither just blows the other out of the water. Let's call this one a tie. Okay, integrations. Pipedrive is huge here. It's got a massive out marketplace, so whether you're on Google, Microsoft, Slack, it just snaps in. Only thing, their native marketing integrations, could be stronger. But if you want variety, it's awesome. Keap, it works nicely with Zapier and really shines for e-commerce. But straight up direct integrations, there are fewer of those. For total connectivity, Pipedrive wins here. And finally, support and community. Keap goes all out if you're the kind of user who wants all the help. You get onboarding, a pretty active community, free training. Support response depends on your plan, so sometimes expect a wait. Pipedrive? 24/7 live chat is super convenient, but phone support's only on higher tiers. Still, if you measure by how much you can lean on actual people and the community, Keap edges this one out. If we pulled out the scorecard right now, you'd see Pipedrive leading in pricing, sales features, ease of use, and integrations. Keap dominates in marketing automation, customization, and has a slight upper hand in support and community. Reporting? They're about neck and neck. So, time for some real talk. If your life revolves around keeping your sales pipeline humming and making sure your team actually knows what's happening, Pipedrive is super hard to beat. It just gets out of your way. But if you want to wrap CRM, marketing automation, and even a bit of e-commerce all into one, and you're ready to put in the time to set it up, Keap is honestly a beast. Personally, I'd go Pipedrive for most sales teams, Keap for all-in-one business builders. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our future CRM reviews and deep dives.